Welcome to this first Votegoat tutorial. In this video, we'll show you in some easy steps how to use Votegoat. First, it's good to know that Votegoat has three modules: a dashboard, a screen, and of course a mobile page for your participants. We'll show you more advanced features of these modules in the next tutorials. In this tutorial, you will see how to open the modules and how they will interact. You don't have to install any special software to use Votegoat. You only need a computer with a web browser. First, we'll open the dashboard. Use your web browser. In this case, we'll use Google Chrome. Go to dashboard.votegoat.eu. Here you can log in with your username and password. This is your control panel. As you can see, we have prepared two test questions for you. If your dashboard appears in a different language, go to Settings to change it. Now, open a second web browser. In this browser, we'll go to screen.votegoat.eu. Here you can log in too. This is your screen view. Press F11 to enter full screen mode. As you can see, the mouse cursor is hidden, so it won't disturb the screen. You can leave full screen mode by pressing F11 again. The mouse cursor will be visible again. If you use a video projector or a second monitor, you can drag the browser to this screen. When you press F11 again, Votegoat will go full screen on that screen. The last step is to use your smartphone or tablet. Open the web browser on your mobile device and go to go.votegoat.eu. Log in and you are ready to go. In the next tutorials, we'll show you more in-depth information about the three modules.